Welcome to our channel. Today we how to authorize with Supabase OAuth providers easy tutorial step by step clearly. Begin by logging into your Supabase account. Create a new project or select an existing one. Navigate to the authentication section in the sidebar. Click on Settings under the Authentication menu. Locate the OAuth Providers section. Choose the OAuth provider you wish to enable. Fill in the required fields for the selected provider. This typically includes your client ID and client secret. You may need to create an application in the provider's developer console. Follow the provider's documentation for detailed instructions on obtaining these credentials. Ensure that you set the correct redirect URLs in the provider's settings. The redirect URL should match the one used in your Supabase project. Save your changes in the Supabase console. Now, move to your front-end application. Install the Supabase client library if you haven't done so yet. Use the specific import statement for your JavaScript framework. Initialize the Supabase client with your project's URL and public API key. Implement the OAuth sign-in function. Call the Supabase sign-in method with the OAuth provider you enabled. Handle the authentication response appropriately. Check for any errors during the authentication process. Display a success message or redirect users upon successful login. Test the OAuth flow thoroughly to ensure everything works seamlessly. Make adjustments as necessary based on your testing results. You are now ready to use Supabase with OAuth providers in your application. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.